The workouts that you did in your 20s likely are not working for you anymore if you're in your 40s. So check this out. Hello gorgeous girl, welcome back to my channel, and today I've got an awesome hormone balancing workout for you that includes some great toning arm workout that I know you're gonna love and some fat burning cardio all in one. So in just 5 minutes you are going to feel it. So I do use a pair of 2-pound weights for this workout, and this is one of my workouts that I pulled a little snippet directly from my fitness membership community, Total Body Transformation. If you haven't already checked us out, what are you waiting for? It is the best fitness membership and community that exists on planet Earth, and we would love to have you be a part of it. So if you like what I'm doing here on YouTube, you're gonna love it there. So check it out after that workout. Of course, let's get ready to sweat, let's get ready to burn fat, and I'll see you on the other side. We're gonna talk more about hormones.
You're gonna pick up your weights if you have them. If you don't worry. We're gonna go into life lifts. So deadlifts, but this workout is all about love. So touch the floor or your shins, come on up and down and up. Now this one isn't like a crazy cardio move here, so I really want you to be focusing on form, keeping the chest lifted, your eyes, your focus are towards me, okay? Feel that hamstring squeezing as you come up. I was working on this yesterday, and so my hamstrings today are like, oh honey, yes I feel it. Okay, good, breathing here. Good, that's it, that's it. Excellent. You can go a little lower if you're feeling less tight than I am today. Oh, let's see if she can touch the floor today. Yes, just barely. Good, keep breathing here. Whew. Awesome, one more. And a 10-second rest. We don't want to go into a dead stop here. Next, we're gonna go into uppercut arms. So we're gonna keep the weights, and I want you to go as fast as possible. Just a little punch. There's no modification here. One word to the wise is, don't punch yourself in the face with a weight, okay? That would suck. You wanna really squeeze your abdominals here. Make sure your waist is drawn in. Keep your shoulders down your back. Good. Whew. You know, all these boxing moves, they might feel sort of masculine, right? Sort of different style, but I've been practicing this a lot lately, and this really makes those ab lines pop and gives you that next day like, what did I do? Was I doing ab work? Yes, you were. So pull that navel into the spine. Good, and really go for it. Let's see for the last 10 seconds. Can you go faster? Do, 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 do. Now this is about love, so what do you need to get rid of? I always think of that when I'm punching anything away. Good, breathe here. You can drop the weights. We're gonna do those 3 again, okay? So press up jacks first, okay? Are you ready? Yes? Yes? All right, let's do it. Push it up, 50 seconds. Now this is your second round, so leave it on the dance floor. Show me what you got. Go maybe a little bit quicker. Woo. Breathe and keeping those shoulders down your back. Yes, yes. Good. Awesome. We're doing it together. Feeling the love, feeling the vibes. Good. Good. Really control your breathing here. This is again one of those workouts where I'm like, this isn't so hard. And then I start doing it, I'm like, whoa, I'm out of breath right away. Good. Keep going. Pick up your pace. Maybe you can go a little faster. Come on. Push yourself. Good. All right, 10-second break. Woo! Okay, life lifts again. Grab your little weighty weights, okay? Second set. You're warmed up, you're ready to go. Let's do it. And good. Keep your focus on me. Down, hamstring and ab squeeze. The ab squeeze is not gonna happen automatically, right? So I want you to really, especially when you stand up, pull in. The waist gets smaller. You know, when I taught Pilates, that was one of the reasons why my girls always got such great results, because I was constantly reminding them, some of you know, because you were there 80 bajillion years ago, right? Of like, every movement, every single thing you do is a core exercise. When you go back, let that booty go back here. All right, let the weight go into your heels and straight up. Heels, straight up. Good, whew. That's it. A few more seconds like this. Good. and excellent. Okay, good. So we're gonna keep those weights. You see I was trying to drop them. We can't drop them yet. We gotta go into uppercuts, okay? Good, are you ready? Bend your knees softly, pull into your abdominals, go for it. Good, really find your jam here. Good, push, push. This is a great workout really for any time of the day, but I love something like this, like midday. You know, when you want like your coffee or you want some sugar, do this instead, okay? Good, really squeeze those abdominals. Make sure you're feeling that work. Good, come on, come on. Yes, yes, breathing here. Good, you're rocking, you're rolling. Really keep it tight. And that's it, that's it. Good. Whew. Yes, go, go, go. A few more seconds, come on, we got it. Whew. And awesome, oh my gosh, wasn't that fun?
I didn't lie, right? I told you were going to feel it. Now that was just 5 minutes of what you'll find of the full length workout that's only available inside of Total Body Transformation. And let me tell you, that is one that you really, really will feel it for the next day and maybe the day after when you're doing the full workout. So if you haven't already checked out TBT, check it out here. We'd love to have you as a part of our Transformer team. Now, so I want to just take a second to talk to you a little bit about hormones and why this workout specifically is hormone balancing. You know, you've probably experienced this already by now. If you're like me and you're over 40, you've probably noticed that the things that used to work for you when you were in your 20s, they're just not working for you anymore. And that's why I love doing workouts like these, and that's why there's so many of these kinds of workouts inside of Total Body Transformation. I am just shy of turning 48 years old, and let me tell you, I love being 40, but you do have to tweak things a little bit, right? Our hormones are shifting and changing, and so recovery is so important. That's why inside of TBT, we have so many workouts that are interval training workouts and specifically Tabata style workouts, because the recovery is actually built into it. That's also why you save so much time inside of TBT, because the workouts are really 30 minutes. So just in 30 minutes a day, you can really strengthen and tone and really improve your cardiovascular health and really help to keep your hormones balanced. When we're constantly doing these crazy long workouts where there's no recovery and you're really just taxing and putting a lot of stress on your body, that can really do damage to your hormones. Now, maybe some of you are saying, listen, I'm a long distance runner and it really works for me. Well, that's great. But really for the bulk of women, research really shows that that isn't the case. And that especially as we're into our 40s, we've got to change things. And that's why I'm so passionate about workouts like these and what you'll find inside of TBT, because I don't want you to be fit for 5 minutes. I want you to be fit for the long term, for your whole life. So whether you're 25 watching this, 35 watching this, 45, 55, 65, 75, or beyond, I want you to be able to find workouts that you can do for the rest of your life, and that's why TBT is designed the way that it is. I could go on and on and on, but I won't. But if you want to learn more about what it really takes to be fit and fabulous over 40, you are invited to my brand new masterclass, Fit and Fabulous Over 40. So that is also linked in the description box below. I will leave a card up here too. I would love to have you inside of there. You are awesome, you are amazing. If you haven't already, please do me a huge favor and click on that subscribe button, and don't forget to click on the bell, because that's the way that you're gonna know every single time when a new video goes live, and I put out new videos each week. So I love you so much. Thank you for being a great part of my YouTube family. Check in with me. Let me know you did this workout by leaving me a comment down below so I know you didn't skip your workout. And I'll see you next week.